Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix App Store not working in iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have check internet connection and allow App Store using data. Many user could use their App Store to download apps. What is worse, some user even cannot connect to App Store. Therefore, we try to figure out of the problem and find that it may bag of Apple server. So first, you have check the internet connection is it strong or not. So then you have used the data, cellular data. So you have disconnect. Then you have connect the your mobile is Wi-Fi data and strong data Wi-Fi network. Then second solution, you have force restart iPhone or iPad on iOS 17 or 16. The second solution to overcome iOS update App Store not loading to the force restore iPhone, and this is the common practice among all the users. It works most of the time. Force restart max your device quit all the apps that was running in the background and get your device fresh start making it work normally. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have reset network setting if App Store not downloading iOS 17 due to any network issue that you better to reset your network setting as that will make your network setting go in default mode you that might have some changes in the settings of your iPhone network due to which also suffering from this issue. Open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click the transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click the reset network setting iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting, then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have reset all settings on your iPhone or iPad in an easy task. Basically what this is reset all settings your device bring the default mode due to which all your apps other functions of the device work finally. It also solve iOS 17 or 16 App Store issues. Open the same solution you have setting again. Click on general again. Click on transfer or iPhone reset. Click on reset all settings. iPhone given a passcode. Then you have entered a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone. Only reset all settings. The last solution, you have update the new iOS version. This method is last resort of your fix iOS 17 or 16 cannot download apps. Updating your device newer version has the high possibility to fix the bug of the previous version. Updating to iOS latest version not only fix the issue but also gives you for features with some effective output the updation on your device. This was to fix your issue App Store is not working on iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.